Before you skip this video, give us just a few minutes of your time. What you're about to see is not just a gearbox repair, it's a complete professional transmission rebuilding process that can help you understand what really happens inside an automatic gearbox. If your car is experiencing jerking, slipping, delayed shifting, or transmission problems, this video could save you from costly mistakes in the future. Watch until the very end to see the complete repair, installation, and final road test. We hope this video helps you take better care of your own vehicle. If you enjoy genuine automotive repair content and want to learn more about automatic transmissions, please support our work by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to our channel. Your support motivates us to bring you more real workshop videos. Thank you for watching, and let's get started.
Welcome back. Today, we're working on a Toyota ES350 automatic transmission, commonly found in vehicles like the Toyota Avalon and Toyota Camry. The customer came to us with serious transmission problems. The gearbox was slipping during acceleration, shifting with hard jerks, and the driving experience was becoming worse every day. These are common signs of internal transmission damage, and ignoring them can lead to complete gearbox failure. To find the exact cause, we removed the transmission from the vehicle and carefully disassembled it. Every single component was inspected one by one. During our inspection, we found several worn and damaged internal parts. Some clutch packs were badly worn, seals had lost their strength, and a number of components showed clear signs of excessive wear. The old transmission fluid was also contaminated, which is another indication that the gearbox had been operating under poor conditions for a long time. Instead of making temporary repairs, we decided to rebuild the transmission properly. Our goal is to restore it to smooth, reliable performance. As you can see in this repair process, we are replacing the damaged components with new, high-quality parts. A complete piston set is being installed along with new seals, clutch plates, and other essential components that are required for a professional rebuild. Every part is cleaned thoroughly before assembly, and all measurements are checked carefully to ensure everything meets the correct specifications. Rebuilding an automatic transmission is not just about replacing parts. It requires experience, precision, and attention to detail. Every clutch clearance, every seal, and every bolt must be installed correctly. Even a small mistake can affect the performance of the entire gearbox. That is why we take our time and follow the correct rebuilding procedure from start to finish. Once the assembly is complete, the transmission will be installed back into the vehicle. We will refill it with the correct transmission fluid, perform all the necessary checks, and carry out a road test to make sure the gearbox shifts smoothly through every gear. Our objective is to eliminate the jerking, stop the slipping, and bring back the smooth driving experience the customer expects. We are confident that after this complete rebuild, the transmission will perform like it should. Customer satisfaction and quality workmanship are always our top priorities. If you enjoy watching real automatic transmission repairs and want to learn how professional gearbox rebuilding is done, make sure you watch this video until the end. You'll see the complete repair process, the final installation, and the road test to confirm the results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional automatic transmission repair videos.
Dear friends, as you can see, the ES350 transmission has now been completely rebuilt and is ready for installation. Every damaged component has been replaced, and the gearbox has been assembled with great care and precision. The hard work is done, and now the only step remaining is to install it back into the vehicle. We are confident that this repair will restore smooth and reliable performance. Stay with us until the end of the video to watch the installation and the final road test. Let's see the results together.